welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, nice to meet all of you. I'm coming back with another hair video today. I know they've been pretty highly requested and they're usually some of my more popular videos just because, I don't know, there's a lot of girls that want to grow out their hair, I guess, and I have been pretty successful at growing my hair and regrowing it and getting it to this nice thickness. This is all my natural hair. I don't have any extensions in. If you guys have never been to my channel before and this is your first video seeing me, I've done some previous ones on hair growth and regrowth because I had a lot of hair loss due to something called polycystic ovarian syndrome, which basically I became very anemic because I was losing too much blood, and I lost like probably almost, if not a bit more than half of my hair, to be honest. But no, not half, but like maybe around half or a little less than half actually. But I was able to regrow it all and do a bunch of techniques that helped me. I'll link the other videos down below because I don't go into like all the really different tips that I did in this video. This one's more about the mask, as you guys can tell by the title. But if you guys want to see some other really important steps that I took, definitely go check those out. So I'm doing this video more so to share the mask that I did a lot back then. I think I kind of didn't really go in that in my first couple hair videos. I did this mask when I lost a lot of my hair to try and repair it and get it soft and nourished. And I originally messed up. I think I talked about this in my previous videos. I originally did like some hair masks. I think I did one out of egg once, and I don't know if this was just me who had this mistake, but I guess my shower was so hot that I literally cooked it and had like scrambled eggs in my hair. So I literally vowed to never put eggs in my hair ever again after that debacle. And then I also used like just a 100% coconut oil one, which was a disaster. I literally could not wash it out of my hair for like a week and a half straight, even though I kept washing it out and it literally would just not go away. Especially, you guys probably know that if you have hair that is thinning and not a lot of it, if your hair is greasy, it makes it look extra horrible when you're trying to regrow it. And that week I literally had my hair up in like a slick back bun because I could not stand looking at myself in the mirror. So at that time, I was researching a lot of different methods. Obviously, my most useful and important one I have a whole video on, so you guys can check that out if you want. It's a type of pretty much tea, I guess, that you make out of a certain plant, or tea leaves if you have them dried. So definitely go see that video. But this one is about a DIY hair mask I did that you can do this with any, ingredients that you pretty much have in your house, because it's made out of avocado, banana, coconut oil, olive oil, and some cinnamon. So it's definitely very budget friendly, I guess household friendly, is that a thing? I don't know, but pretty much everyone has these 5 ingredients in their house, and if not, they're really easily accessible. This DIY hair mask definitely helped repair, nourish, make my hair thicker, make it grow longer. I was using it alongside my other techniques, and I really think it helped it. And if you're not suffering from, super thin hair or hair loss or anything, you can always use it just to get bounce and shine. I actually did it for you guys today on camera. Little forewarning, I smashed up the avocado and banana, not the best. I kind of left it a bit clumpy, which I regretted as soon as I got in the shower. So if you guys can do it a finer like smash than I did, or maybe even put it in a blender or food processor if you guys have, definitely try and get as smooth of a paste as you can, because I was literally washing out clunks. I had to do like 2 rinses, and then when I got out of the shower, I still had some of the clunks in it. So it is kind of annoying and tedious trying to get all that out, but it's definitely worth it because my hair feels super soft. It's definitely more damaged right now because I got a bunch of these, if you guys can see, like balayage, I guess, because I'm trying to go towards blonde. So my hair definitely is in general more brittle right now and less healthy because I destroyed it with bleach. So I definitely think this helped bring back some of its shine and softness and nourishment. So it definitely works even for that if you're not looking specifically for hair growth. I'll list all the things that are really beneficial here in this hair mask that were made. If you guys can see my squishmallows in the background, they say hi. I've been addicted to buying them lately and it needs to stop because I'm an adult, not a child, but whatever, they're so cute. But as I was saying, there's a lot of really great ingredients in these things that are good for hair growth and really promote it. So you guys can take a look here. And what I love about this DIY hair mask is that it's made with coconut oil and it's only made with a tablespoon of it. So before I was literally coating my entire head in coconut oil because that's what people told me to do. And that turned out to clearly be a disaster because I could not wash it out. So this with the olive oil is just enough to give you that shine and, you know, nourishment in your hair, but without overdoing it to the point where you're literally scrubbing for like 2 weeks straight trying to get that oil out of your hair. There's also a lot of really great other DIY masks you can do. I've seen so many. I've done personally another one I've done with honey. I did some with yogurt at some points. But I do really like this one, even though it is a bit of a pain in the butt to get out. It also left my hair smelling so good out of the shower. I could still smell a bit of the cinnamon and sweet banana scent. So if you're into that, that's another bonus to this as well. So the first thing is just chopping up a ripe banana. Try to chop it up in smaller pieces because then it just makes it easier to mix in the end. After that, I'm adding 1 whole avocado. Obviously, you can use half the ingredients if you have half the hair I do, but I do have a pretty big, like full head of hair, so I'm using a lot of ingredients because I need it to coat everything. After that, I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil that I put in the microwave for like literally just 10 seconds just to melt it down. And then I'm also adding cinnamon. I didn't really measure. It's probably around like a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons, something like that. And then you're just gonna mix it all up and make sure to get it in a really fine mix. I wish I would have done it a little more fine because it was still pretty chunky and it was really gross to deal with in the shower. After that, I just slather it all over my roots and kind of massage it in and then work it through the rest of my hair. I left this in for about, I think, 45 minutes this day, but you can really leave it as long as you'd like to soak up all the nourishment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys tried this hair mask and how it might work for you. I think it did a really good job for myself. Like I said, I haven't done it in a while now since I was experiencing hair loss. But I definitely think I should incorporate these in my weekly routines. Well, maybe not weekly because I'm too lazy for that, but I don't know, bi-weekly or something like that, just to give my hair some nourishment, especially now that I've dyed it because it is a lot more damaged for sure. If you guys want any other tips or hair tricks or what I do for my hair every day or when I shower it, literally anything, let me know and I'll definitely film that for you guys. My hair is my baby. I definitely take a lot of pride in my hair, so I've definitely found a lot of things that work or don't work for it and could help you guys out. As always, please subscribe. It is free and helps me out a lot and helps me make more content for you guys. And then I can also inform you guys and you can be in the loop about different hair hacks, PCOS stuff, weight loss, pretty much everything that's part of my little content here. I also am on Instagram and posting a lot on there. It's at Shrink and Shred with a double D. I'll link it in my bio as always. And you guys can also connect with me and see my posts there if you'd like. I have a lot of cool recipes. I do a lot of smoothie recipes as well that are hormone friendly, weight loss friendly. So you guys should check those out. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video and spending this time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed and have an amazing day. Yeah, let me know if there's anything you'd suggest in the comments, even if you have your own DIY hair mask that you live by. I definitely love to know those, and yeah. All right, guys, see you next time. Stay tuned for my next video coming soon. Bye. It is also 11:08 p.m. right now, and I promised myself that I'm doing the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge and documenting it for YouTube. And I have to do it right now, like 45 minutes of workout, and I want to shoot myself, but it'll be fine. I hope you guys appreciate that video because there's a lot of effort going in it.